What's up guys, this is Tommy here, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Mpow Grip Pro CD slot car mount. This will work on your iPhone as well as on Android phones. This will mount an iPhone 4S all the way up to the iPhone 8 Plus, which is quite a big difference. I will be doing a quick test at the end of the video. However, if you do want a full review on this, be sure to subscribe as I will be making one in the future, letting you guys know the pros and cons of this product. I did buy this on Amazon for I believe it was under $10, which is pretty cheap. I do plan on getting one for your air vents. This one's obviously for your CD slot. Anyways, let's go ahead and open up the box. So on the box, we don't have too much here. We just have some labeling right over here, but nothing too exciting. So we have this little tab right here. We'll go ahead and open that up. And here we are. So it looks like we have a couple things here. Alright, so we have these two packages. We have this little small one. We'll go ahead and open this up first. I'm not really too sure what this is. It looks like it might be like something like a sticky pad. Something like that. Go ahead and set that to the side. Check what's inside of here, which I believe is probably the actual mount itself, which it is, and it's quite small to be honest. Very small.
That's what she said.
I have no idea what I'm doing here, but we'll go ahead and set that to the side and check out what's inside of this little baggie. And I believe this is what you stick into your CD slot in your car. I did turn up the brightness on my light a little bit. If you haven't checked out my latest video, I'm actually using my new light I got from my camera, which is cool. So we have these instruction manuals, which we'll put to the side. Alright guys, so I did figure out how this works. So to make these go wider, there's a button right here. You can just go ahead and hold it and then it'll automatically stretch all the way out. Now here on the bottom, we actually do have these two little plastic pieces that flip out like this, which will support your phone from slipping downwards. So we'll go ahead and put my phone inside of the mount. It should look something like this. Once you have it centered, go ahead and squeeze the sides until it's tight. As you guys see, it's not coming off. So here on the back, we have this little opening right over here, which is meant for this ball. So all you're gonna wanna do is grab this piece, put it inside this ball, and then grab the mount, and then just stick this ball inside of here, like so. You might need to use a little bit of force in order to do this. It'll sound like that once it's in, and then go ahead and screw this back on and tighten it, and now we're almost ready to actually install it. The only thing that is left is these little rubber grips, which you're supposed to place on here. I'll be back as soon as I get this mounted in my car to show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so here we are in my car. I already have it mounted, as you guys can see right over here. So basically how this works is you just stick this plastic piece along with this plastic piece inside your CD slot. Once you've done that, you'll go ahead and turn this knob clockwise, and then this little piece right here will go up, which makes it get stuck. As you guys can see, it's pretty sturdy. I have yet to put on the rubber grips, but I'm sure that'll make it even much better. It is quite close to the gear switcher right over here. Something that I really do like about this is that you can move it from side to side. It's very easy to put in your phone and to lock it down real quick. Very sturdy. It is not going anywhere. I do like it more than I thought I was. I was actually looking for a vent car mount, however I ordered this one instead. I'll probably still order a vent one in the future, but I do like this one and I do not think I'll be getting rid of it. I'm sure it's going to make it a lot more easier to go through apps while I'm driving. I can definitely see myself using this very often on day-to-day basis. But that pretty much sums up this quick unboxing and test. If you want to see a full-on review after a couple days of using this, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Please smash that like button if this video helped you in any way. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.